Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, go to the date and time, and here you can change your date and time. To set up your date and time manually, you have to disable this automatic date and time feature, and here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling this feature, automatic time zone. Firstly, you have to select your region, and then you can select your time zone. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.